About 20% of all workplace accidents are maintenance-related, and each accident may cause physical injuries as well as high medical expenses, resulting in lost productivity, compensation, and rehabilitation costs. At Perma USA, we're working to improve workplace safety and economic efficiency. Our self-sufficient automatic lubrication systems, along with our remote installation kits, have been proven to reduce the risk of workplace accidents by up to 90% and are designed to reduce time spent in difficult-to-access or dangerous areas, prevent direct contact with hazardous lubricants, minimize slipping accidents caused by lubricant contamination, and more, all while reducing machine downtime required for manual lubrication, lowering maintenance costs, and improving company compliance. Keep your staff out of harm's way with Perma USA. To learn more about what automatic lubrication systems can do for your organization, visit permausa.com and contact us now.